Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs healthy. Start by selecting quality eggs and gathering your vegetables and seasonings. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add a teaspoon of olive oil. Whisk eggs gently with a splash of water or milk alternative for creaminess. Cook slowly, stirring often to keep curds tender, and fold in veggies and herbs near the end for fresh flavor and texture. Use gentle heat and gradual cooking to keep scrambled eggs soft and nutritious. Warm your pan first, then reduce to medium-low and add a small amount of oil or butter. Whisk eggs with a splash of water or unsweetened milk alternative and stir slowly while they set. Pull the eggs from heat just before fully cooked since carryover cooking finishes them, keeping the texture creamy and satisfying. Boost nutrition by adding colorful vegetables and smart toppings to your scrambled eggs. Sauté spinach, peppers, or mushrooms briefly before adding the eggs, so veggies are tender without excess oil. Stir in fresh herbs like chives or parsley for flavor without sodium. Finish with slices of avocado, a sprinkle of seeds, or a dash of pepper to add healthy fats and texture while keeping calories and salt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.